Hello, good day ulit. Dito na tayo sa last method in solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Okay, so yung quadratic formula pwede siya sa all types of quadratic equations, no? Whether factorable, not factorable, nawawala yung constant, yung linear term, pwede rin yun. Pero wag lang yung quadratic term kasi hindi siya magiging quadratic equations. So, yung quadratic formula, na-derive siya sa standard form ng quadratic equation pero hindi ko na ipapakita, no? Or siguro sa ibang videos na lang para malaman nyo kung paano na-derive yung quadratic formula. Okay, so yung quadratic formula is x equals negative b, positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, medyo mahaba, pero siguradong ito ay merong roots or meaning meron siyang solution dahil ipa-plugin lang natin yung values ng ABC dun sa given quadratic equations. Okay. So let us have the first example. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So naka-standard form na siya, no? So, ang first step niyan is we get the values of A, B, and C. In this case, A is 1, B is negative 7, C is 10. Ayun lang, ginawa lang natin yung values ng A, B, and C. Then, plug in na natin siya dun sa quadratic formula natin. So, x equals negative B. So, para ma-emphasize natin, yung value ng b natin sa equation is negative 7. So, lalagyan natin siya ng negative bago may parenthesis. It's negative of negative 7. Plus minus, so square root of negative 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 all over 2 times 1. So, ang mangyayari dyan, yung negative of negative 7, so magiging 7. Plus minus, so square root of, negative 7 squared is 49. Minus 4 times 1 times 10. That is 40 all over 2. Yan. Then next, so, rewrite lang natin. X equals 7. Plus minus the square root of 49 minus 40 is 9 over 2. X equals 7 plus minus square root of 9 is 3 over 2. So, there are 2 roots. Doon muna tayo sa first root. Kunin natin yung positive. That is 7 plus 3 over 2. 7 plus 3, that's 10 over 2 or 5. Dun sa isa, x sub 2 is 7 minus 3 over 2. So, x sub 2 is 4 over 2 or 2. So, ang roots natin is 2 and 5. Then we're going to check. Yan. Pag chinek natin, ang gagamitin natin is yung original equation. Okay? Try natin yung 2. Siguro yung 2 muna. No? Check lang natin. So, x equals 2. So, 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 10 equals 0. 2 squared is 4 minus 7 times 2 is 14 plus 10 equals 0. So, 4 minus 14, that is negative 10 plus 10 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Tama yung ating solution, which is 2. Okay, second example. X squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. So, kunin na natin yung values ng ABC. So, ang A ay 1, B ay 1, C is negative 1. Then, tagin natin siya sa formula natin. So, yung x equals, palagay muna natin yung formula, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, negative b, so that's negative 1 plus minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 all over 2 times 1. Yeah. Then, simplify natin. So, negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 squared. Yeah. So, 1 squared is 1. Negative na yun doon. Pag tinaim sa atin diretso, that's positive. 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. All over 2. So, x now is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. That's the final answer. So, there are two solutions. The first one is, lagay lang natin to emphasize. So, the first root is negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then, the second root is negative 1 minus square root of 5 all over. Okay, last example tayo. We have example number 3. We have 3x squared minus 5 equals 5x plus 1 plus x squared. So, medyo complex yung given equation, no? But the first thing na gagawin natin is we're going to make it standard. So, you will notice that may x squared dito, may 3x squared doon. So, ililipat lang natin yung x squared doon sa left side. So, you have 3x squared positive. So, magiging minus x squared. Lipat na rin natin ito. Actually, lilipat naman natin lahat. So, magpapalit sila ng sign. So, this is minus 5x. Okay na to. Minus 5. Positive 1. So, magiging minus 1 equals 0. And combine all like terms. So, you have 3x squared minus x squared. That is 2x squared. Wala namang partner yung negative 5. So, negative 5x. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6 equals 0. So, ito na equation natin. So, kunin na natin yung values ng A, B, and C. So, you have A is 2, B negative 5, C is negative 6. So, plug in na natin siya sa ating formula. So, you have x equals negative b positive negative square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 6 all over 2 times 2. Okay? And then, simplify negative of negative 5, positive 5, plus minus square root of negative 5 squared is 25. Minus, bago may negative doon, so this becomes positive. 4 times 2, 8 times 6, 48. All over 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So, x now becomes 5 plus minus square root of, this is 73. Square root of 73 over 4. So, this is the final answer. So again, there are two roots or two solutions. One is 5 plus square root of 73 over 4, and then the other one is 5 minus square root of 73 over 4. Okay. So that ends the topic. So hope na naintindihan yung lesson. Quadratic formula. You just at least memorize the formula, then follow the steps in solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Okay? So that will be all for now.